Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR Pharma Tube. In the last lesson, we discussed the structure and synthesis of phenanthrene. The link is given in the description below this video. Watch it. In this video, I would like to talk on the chemical reactions and medicinal uses of phenanthrene. After this lesson, you will be able to understand the chemical reactions such as oxidation, reduction, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, nitration and sulfonation reactions. And lastly, the medicinal uses of phenanthrene. As discussed in the previous video, the carbons in phenanthrene are sp2 hybridized, but unlike anthracene, the three benzene rings are fused in an angular manner. Similar to anthracene, it is a 14 pi electron delocalized system and is classified as aromatic on the basis of its properties. Comparing with naphthalene, in phenanthrene, a number of fused aromatic rings increases by one aromatic ring. Thus, the resonance energy per ring decreases and the compound becomes more reactive. Although phenanthrene resemble benzene in many respects, they are more reactive than benzene in both addition and substitution reactions. Considering the fact that the carbon-carbon bonds in polynuclear hydrocarbons are not similar, thus the C1-C2 bonds in phenanthrene are shorter than the other ring bonds, whereas the C9-C10 bond closely resembles an alkene double bond in both its length and chemical reactivity. Phenanthrene can undergo addition reactions that are more characteristic of their non-aromatic polynuclear or polyene hydrocarbons. Phenanthrene undergoes 1,2 addition at the 9 and 10 positions to give a product with two fully aromatic rings. Reactions of phenanthrene typically occur at C9 and C10 positions. Determination of phenanthrene structure. The angular form of phenanthrene structure was determined by a set of reactions which are explained here. Phenanthrene on oxidation gives phenanthraquinone, which further oxidizes to give diphenic acid. The diphenic acid on treatment with soda lime gives diphenyl. Thus, the basic skeleton of phenanthrene is given based on the structure of diphenyl, and the accommodation of remaining hydrogens indicate the structure of phenanthrene, where three benzene rings are fused in an angular manner. Some of the important chemical reactions of phenanthrene are described here. These include oxidation, reduction, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, nitration and sulfonation reactions. Coming to oxidation. Phenanthrene is less resistant toward oxidation than naphthalene. It is oxidized to the 9,10 quinone. Attack at the 9 and 10 positions leaves two benzene rings intact. Thus, there is a sacrifice of only 20 kilocalories of resonance energy, that is 92 minus 2 into 36. Phenanthrene undergoes oxidation with potassium dichromate or sodium dichromate and sulfuric acid to form 9,10 phenanthraquinone, which has melting point at 206 degrees centigrade. Further oxidation of this compound with hydrogen peroxide in acetic acid gives diphenic acid. Diphenic acid is an isolated polycyclic ring system, which means the benzene rings present in the structure are not fused. Chromium trioxide in acetic acid is also used in place of sulfuric acid in the oxidation process. The double bond character of the 9,10 bond in phenanthrene is particularly evident in ozonization. This bond is attacked preferentially, which leads to the formation of a dialdehyde when the ozonoid is reduced with iodide ion. Reduction reaction. Phenanthrene is less resistant toward reduction than naphthalene. It is easily reduced to the 9,10 dihydro compounds. Similar to oxidation of phenanthrenes, attack at the C9 and C10 positions leaves two benzene rings intact. Phenanthrene undergoes reduction with sodium and isopentanol to form 9,10 dihydrophenanthrene. Further reduction of the terminal benzene rings is relatively difficult. Halogenation. Phenanthrene undergoes 1,2 addition at the 9 and 10 positions to give a product with 2 fully aromatic rings. Because they are less likely to be substituted, the bridgehead carbon atoms of fused aromatics are often left unnumbered. Phenanthrene reacts with chlorine in carbon tetrachloride at room temperature to give 9,10-dichloro, 9,10-dihydrophenanthrene, which is an addition product. On heating, this loses a molecule of hydrogen chloride to yield 9-chlorophenanthrene, and this 9-chlorophenanthrene is a substitution product. 9-chlorophenanthrene may also be obtained by the treatment of phenanthrene with chlorine in the presence of ferric chloride. Bromine reacts in a similar manner with phenanthrene. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Phenanthrene undergoes acylation with acetyl chloride in the presence of aluminium chloride at 0 degrees centigrade to give 9-acetylphenanthrene. Nitration. Phenanthrene undergoes nitration with concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid to yield 9-nitrophenanthrene. Sulfonation. Phenanthrene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid at 120 degrees centigrade to give a mixture of 2 phenanthrene sulfonic acid and 3 phenanthrene sulfonic acid. Notice that, like anthracene, substitution does not occur at C9. Medicinal uses of phenanthrene. Phenanthrene is of little industrial importance, but phenanthrene ring systems are found widely distributed in natural compounds such as carcinogenic hydrocarbons that are cancer-producing agents, bile acids, sex hormones, morphine alkaloids, and cholesterol. Like most polyaromatic hydrocarbons, it is used to make dyes, plastics, and pesticides, explosives, and drugs. This is the list of references. That's all in this video, chemical reactions and medicinal uses of phenanthrene. In the next video, we learn diphenylmethane and triphenylmethane structure and their medicinal uses. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.